Right, good morning once again, YouTube bikers, kapadjaks, mga ka-Hondas na rin. So, today, I'm gonna try, or tonight, I'm gonna try and show you if we can replace an 11T pulley, seal bearing pulley, with a 13T, much bigger 13T pulley. So this one is sag meat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Normally on an RD it's only 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? And this was the same RD that I uploaded yesterday, the SLX M675 10-speed medium cage or mid cage or med cage, whatever you want to call it. So first we're gonna go ahead, and I think it'll be much better if we try remove this one first and check if this one will fit. I'm guessing it won't fit. I received a lot of questions from my customers asking if they can replace the standard or regular size 11T pulley with a 13T sized seal bearing pulley. Not sure why they want to do that. I think on a long cage it is possible, but you still need to consider the chain. So the chain might not fit well, or it might not work properly. So that's why Shimano, they decided to use just 11T. But for tourney, the old ones, let me try and show you. Give me a sec. Where's my tourney? This one, it does have 13T, same size. Let's try and count. I don't really need to count, not really, but they're same size. This is Shimano 6 or 7 speed tourney. I forgot the exact model name and number. SIS. I just use a tape here because this one sometimes it falls off, so I don't want to lose them. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and start removing this bolt over here. This is size 3M or 3 millimeter. Yeah, I think it won't fit, but I'm also curious. Well, if you're gonna search, most of the road bikes, they have like much bigger pulleys. They want to replace standard or 11T size pulleys to a much bigger one because they say it is much better on racing. But I'm not into racing. I just want to go to places, different places, using my bike. But right now I'm not cycling outside, so I'm just doing indoor cycling on Zwift.com. You can try add me on Zwift. It'll be the same name, Joms Cartero. Okie doke. So this one is out. Okay, then let's try open this one. It has like 2 bushings, so we're gonna use the one that will fit on for the Shimano. I'm guessing it's the bigger one. So it has like 2 bushings, one small and one bigger with the ID or inner diameter. We're going to try use this one on the right. So I'm gonna place this one over here and then put this over here. Let's check the bolt. Okie doke, it fits well. I'm guessing it won't fit, but I'm also curious, so let's try it. Okay, so we're gonna screw and hand tight. Okay, let's check. Fail army. See, I'm right. I've received a lot of questions, PMs, asking if it will fit. I said no right away without even trying it, but I'm correct. Doesn't fit on a mid cage or med cage. At the top, I think it will fit. Yeah, it has a lot of room, but you need to consider the chain. Definitely you don't want to try a combo 13 over here and then 11T over here. That'll be like, not sure if that's a good idea. So anyway, since we are here, let's try and install the 13T pulley over here and see how it looks like. It's 3:30, I think. Sorry, 3:30 a.m. now, Manila time. I started packaging around 6:30 in the evening. I finished around 2 a.m. Okay, so let's try this out. Where's my bolt? Give me my bolt. Okay, it fits over here. I think it does have a lot of clearance for the chain to go into, right? See? Chain will go here and then there. Yeah, you need long cage. So next time we're gonna try and check if it will work on a long cage. But looks good, right? I'm gonna use 13T on an RD with oil slick. Looks badass. So if you're on a medium cage, don't try and replace it with 13T pulley. Now, how will you know if you're using long cage or mid cage? Well, if you're gonna take a look over here, you will see SGS with long cage. With mid cage, it doesn't say so. I'm not sure if I think I still have long cage over here. Let me check. Alright, it's my long cage. This long cage, no. No. Found it. This is mine. I'm not selling this. There's a, oh, it's not a long cage. Yep, it's a, yeah, this one is a long cage. Okay, so here is a long cage. Well, it should say SGS, but this is an older model, so let's check. They say if it's a long cage, yep, definitely much longer over here, right? Look at the medium cage. Can you see it? Right? So medium cage, the size of the cage is only up to the barrel. Okie dokes, right? Are you getting me? Are you getting it? For long cage, it's way over the barrel. See? So this one is long cage. So yeah, I don't want to try this one right now because it has been like more than 10-minute video. So I'm gonna try this out maybe tomorrow. I'm looking for the code. Yeah, it's not right. With the model, with the newer models, they have SGS for long cage and then GS over here for the medium cage. Alright, so that's something new that I learned from a local mechanic or an expert mechanic from the LBS or local bike shop. So this is long cage, this one is medium cage. Definitely there's a huge difference, right? And yeah, it says here on the sticker, yeah, it's written. I don't have the original sticker from Shimano, but this is an authentic product. I just opened this one. A lot of folks asking if I still have SLX long cage, but unfortunately this one is mine. Gotta keep it. So that's all for now. Don't ever try installing 13T on a medium cage. Doesn't fit well. It looks good, but doesn't fit well. And much better, don't try 13T at the top and then 11T at the bottom. Not sure if someone tried that. Not really sure what will happen when you do shifting. So that's all for now. And I hope you hit the subscribe button. Thanks. Ride safe.